Welcome to Jessi Fit Pilates, your home to get fit, toned, and flexible. Today we are doing the classical Pilates exercise called the corkscrew. I'll be uploading for the month of March all of the Pilates classical exercises as Joseph Pilates intended them. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments, and I'll be going over 3 variations of the corkscrew today. We're going to start out laying on the mat. First, we'll go over the beginner version. Lay back, then raise the legs to the sky with your heels together and toes apart. Squeeze your shoulder blades back onto your mat and start to circle a circle on the ceiling with your toes. First, you'll circle to the right, left, center, and then you'll circle left, right, center. Your hips are going to move, but you're really drawing your abs in. You're bracing them around the spine to keep your shoulders still. To make it harder, when your feet reach the center, lift your hips up a little bit and then try to roll down on the right, around, up on the left, and down, around to the right and left. To make this more challenging, we really start to roll onto one side. So lift, roll to the left, circle down with the legs, right, and lift up on that right side, then roll down on the right side and lift up on that left side. As you can see, this is the challenging version. Make sure you're protecting your neck by squeezing your shoulder blades into the mat and using those arms for support. Make sure you're drawing those abs in, and at the end, take that stretch. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you loved today's video, the corkscrew. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. I'll be uploading the rest of the Pilates classical exercises soon. This is your home to strengthen, stretch, and smile.